In 2014, Google introduced a new paradigm for automating software deployment, scaling, and management, Kubernetes. Since that time, the Cloud Native Computing Foundation has taken the reins from Google and manages the development and direction of the technology. And with the Linode Kubernetes engine, you have a fully managed Kubernetes environment on Linode's powerful infrastructure combined with our ease of use and simple pricing. So, what is Kubernetes? At a high level, Kubernetes is a means of automating complex infrastructure and application deployment. Kubernetes allows admins to create a template configuration in a YAML format, which specifies the type of deployment. The Kubernetes cluster is then in charge of scheduling the desired configuration on your infrastructure. Kubernetes takes your containerized application and efficiently distributes copies of it across a number of backend instances. Kubernetes then evenly distributes traffic across those containers and instances to ensure peak performance. If one container goes down for whatever reason, Kubernetes knows how to create another one to take its place. And all you need is a YAML file to control it all. So why choose Linode Kubernetes Engine, or LKE for short? Well, first, LKE offers a fully managed platform for you to deploy your configurations effortlessly. LKE lets you rest easy knowing you're getting the maximum efficiency possible. You can distribute your containers across your cluster and get the most out of your resources. LKE is also developer-friendly, allowing you to take advantage of the open nature of Kubernetes and import your existing applications and workloads to our platform. We offer seamless expansion of your cluster so your applications can scale automatically to meet any demand using horizontal cluster auto-scaling. And our interface allows you to easily manage node pools. LKE is compatible with familiar tools like Rancher, Helm, and others to help you get the most out of your admin session. Unlike other cloud providers, you don't have to pay for your managed Kubernetes control plane. With our service, you only pay for compute instances, node balancers, and block storage volumes. And as always with Linode, our rates are fair and predictable. We also offer popular additional features like etc.d backups, self-service version upgrades, automated recovery, persistent storage, DNS management, load balancing, as well as an aggregation layer and metrics pipeline. With Linode Kubernetes engine, you'll find a powerful, full-featured, and managed container orchestration engine. And don't forget to check out the LKE documentation to learn even more about our Kubernetes offering with the link below.